Hey, are you looking for some cute, easy hairstyles for short hair? Check out today's video for my favorites. So I recently cut my hair short and I was looking for some different hairstyles to emulate, and there just really wasn't a lot of options out there. All the tutorials for short hair hit below the collarbones or they were shaved pixies, and clearly I don't fit either of those molds. So I decided I was going to create my own tutorials just for you guys. So check out 4 of my favorite ones today. First, we're going to start with my favorite tousled texturizing mist. Put 3 squirts into your palms and work it through your hair. On the short side of your part, grab a small section and split it into 3. We're going to do a French braid tight to the scalp, so take small little sections and pull them super tight, keeping your fingers as close to your scalp as you can to really give it a tight braid. This is going to give us a faux undercut look. Once you get that braid right below your ear, go ahead and fasten it tightly with a bobby pin. Then, to add some volume, use Refinish Control Hairspray. I like to spray it throughout the hair and even take sections like this, spray it at the root and flip it over the can to hold. And there we go, a faux undercut. Crap, I overslept again. I've got the Champ Dry Shampoo that's going to help me create this quick look this morning. Spray it through and then brush it through the ends. Make sure you part your hair down the middle and then take a small section on one side of your head. Take that section and split it into 3. We're going to create a Dutch braid by crossing the outside pieces of hair into the middle. Each time you cross a piece to the middle, make sure that you add to that side. We're going to repeat the process until we are about halfway down the hair, and then create a messy bun with an elastic. Repeat the process on the other side. To get that Dutch braid look, you have to cross the outside piece underneath the middle piece. And remember to add hair to each section. Then I spray it with dry shampoo to add some texture to pancake my braids. This is just pulling apart those braids, making them a little bit looser and messier, and gives some texture and dimension to your hair. I pulled out some pieces from the front and now I'm just fluffing my messy buns, using some bobby pins to give me that space bun look that I'm looking for. Once I have everything secured into place, I'm going to finish it off with Monat's Refinish Control Hairspray. It's a great lightweight hairspray, but gives you more hold the more you add. And there you go, from hot mess to hottie in just under a few minutes. What do you think? First, take tousled texturizing mist, squirt 3 pumps into your hands, rub it together and work it through those ends. Then we're going to take our hair and section off a piece. We're going to split that into 2 pieces to start our twist. Take the front piece and cross it over the top. Then you're going to add hair to your front piece and continue to twist over the top. You're going to continue to do this to the end of your hair strand. This is an easier way to get a textured look without doing a braid. So keep twisting that hair from the front over the top all the way down. You're going to secure that with a bobby pin, so just lift up your hair, pin it underneath, and then you're going to just pull that twist apart to add some texture, and don't forget to finish it off with Refinishing Control Hairspray. And you're good to go! First, let's start out with my favorite dry shampoo, the Champ by Monat. Just spray it through your roots and then go ahead and work it through with your fingers. Then I like to take a section of hair from about the middle of my eyebrows straight back about 1 inch. Take that section and we're going to split it into 3. We're going to do a Dutch braid on the top of your head. So take each outside piece and cross it underneath the middle. Then add to each side and continue to do this braid about halfway back on your head. Once you have completed that braid and you feel like you have a good amount of hair, go ahead and tie that off with an elastic. The next thing I like to do is add some texture and pieciness, so I like to pancake my braid by just pulling out those sections, giving it a little bit looser, messier feel. Then I like to go back and perfect just how I want it to look. Once you've got that, I like to take a brush or a teasing comb and just add a little bit of texture to the rest of that ponytail, and then wrap it around, secure it with a bobby pin for a nice little messy bun. Once you have it looking exactly like you want, you can finish it off with Monat's Refinishing Control Hairspray. It is my favorite. Hope you like this look.